Alrighty guys, so the whole front end is off, the fender is now off. It wasn't too hard, just those rusty bolts right there, and then that one right there was pretty mangled up, but we got it off. So once we got the fender off, we decided to go work on the door, and it's kind of a little hard to see right here, but we got the door module off. Yeah, it was pretty difficult. I don't know, I have the manual, the service manual on that over there, and yeah, it was not even close at all. But yeah, pretty much the only reason we got the this door module off is because the glass from here had shattered and gone to the bottom, so we used a shop vac and we cleaned it right up. And then another reason for opening the door module is because we are going to pop that dent out right there, as you can see here. And then once we pop that dent out, we'll probably end up body fillering it and then sanding it and then repainting it, and then yeah, we'll be all good. But yeah, right now currently I'm just working on cleaning up, just grabbing some APC, I forgot what it's called, but APC brake clean and degreaser. We're just trying to clean up all the power steering that leaked everywhere, and then just kind of cleaning up some of these wiring harnesses. And then yeah, I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this, yeah, because I have no idea how to fix these high pressure lines with these crimps on them. But yeah, that's where we are right now. So yeah, it should be fun. Well guys, you wouldn't believe what happened while trying to get out the old window. We ended up breaking it. So I was trying to get back here, get back through here, and the window must have pinched in some sort of spot, because this is the door that even hit. Whew, I'm not gonna touch it. Pretty bad. So it must have just pinched it and then cracked it. So word for the future, or advice for the future I should say, probably just try plugging the door back in with the door panel in order to, because I was trying to get it from the top through here instead of through the holes where you're supposed to pry the window out. But yeah, in the future, probably just try plugging it back in and then just see if it rolls down by itself first before you start prying anything in there. But yeah, lesson learned. Alright, I have one question for you guys that are watching this. See these two holes right here, 1 and 2, right next to this cap? So there's nothing in them, but if we come over here and we look at the engine on the 06, yeah, there's 1 and 2 right there, and I'm just wondering what they are. It obviously looks like Hyundai designed them to be on this one, but not the other one. So if anyone knows what those are, yeah, just comment down below, and the first one to do it gets a free like.